Good morning, it's Paul Rugarber. And we all live these crazy, hectic, busy lives. And it's difficult for us to slow down, to relax, to enjoy it, because we're always going, going, going. And the number one complaint I hear is, I want to get off of this hamster wheel of life. I want to slow down. And yet we're involved in so many different activities and we do so many different things that it's difficult to do that. And we don't have the luxury always of taking a week off or a weekend to get away and do something. So we have to figure out, how do we do that within our own lives? How do we create that time, that enjoyment for ourselves? Now, everybody is different. For some people, maybe coming home and having a glass of wine. Maybe it's just petting your dog and relaxing on the front porch. Maybe it's taking a walk on the beach, watching a sunrise, watching a sunset, watching the kids play. Maybe watching the kids sleep is the only time you get a break. But whatever it is that's important to you, take a snapshot of that and remember it. If you're holding that cup of coffee and that's the first thing in the morning, I love to do that. Just hold it and you have that smell. You take a sip of it. You just enjoy the moment. Let all your senses soak it in. What's going on around you, the smell, just let that moment in life be important to you. And I tell my kids when we're doing something, right now, if you're having fun, if you're enjoying this, take a snapshot of your life. Just let that emotion of the moment, the time, everything about it, the smells, the sights, let that soak in and just create this snapshot in your mind of this moment right now is really special to me. Let that burn in your heart and your mind so that you can later think back of it. Because time goes so fast that we don't have these snapshots always to remember, because everything becomes one big blur. So take a moment, whether it's watching the kids get on the school bus and something you can cherish later. Let these snapshots of our lives be important. Maybe take a 1-second video each day of something that's important to you. Maybe it's time laughing with your kids. Maybe it's your pets running around. Whatever it is that you enjoy, take a quick snapshot of it, enjoy it, because life is so crazy and hectic that it's these little moments that we can remember, these little snapshots, these memories that really make a difference to us. It's the time goes very fast. So it's these moments that we can seize onto, that we can hold on to, that really will make a difference in our lives. So find those things that relax you, those emotions, those moments, and take advantage of it and think about that. And then remember, this is my moment. I'm sitting here, I'm relaxing, because that's what's important to us, is those moments. And then think back on it. Look forward to the next one. Think how you can create more of those moments that mean something to us, that are special to us. Life has a lot of filler stuff, but these special moments have to be important. And when you're looking to relax, at least take a second each day and say, yes, right now, I know there's craziness going on, but this right here, this is my moment. This is what I enjoy doing. This is what I love. Create more of those moments every day. Enjoy the life that you have. You don't have to take a week off to do something. Enjoy the little time each day that you have. Have a great day today.